Good day, I'm Charlene Ahana, the reporter of Region 17 ARMM or Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao in Philippine Culture and Tourism Geography.
Hi guys! I'm back to take you on a tour of another region. Are you guys excited? Me too! Then, what are you waiting for? Come and join me. Be amazed and captivated to the autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao cultural pride. Autonomous region of the Philippines is located in the Mindanao Island group of the Philippines that is composed of 5 predominantly Muslim provinces, namely Basilan, except Isabela City, Lanao del Sur, Maguindanao, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi. It is the only region in the Philippines that has its own government. The regional capital is at Cotabato City, although this city is outside of its jurisdiction.
Major products. Rice delicacies.
Endowed with outstanding natural beauty, its colorful culture, but most of all, its beautiful people.
Festivals.
Although this isn't yet the most popular tourist destination, but I assure you that there is a lot more to see, enjoy, and experience here. I hope this will entice you to come to this part of our country, the Philippines, and experience that kind of thrill, fun, and happiness.
Go! Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao is predominantly Muslim and consists of primarily Muslim provinces like Basilan, Lanao del Sur, Maguindanao, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi. Fast facts. Capital of Basilan is Isabela City. The land area in hectares of Basilan is 322,447. The major industries of Basilan is agriculture, fishing, rubber wood products, and livestock. Number of cities of Basilan is 2, and the number of towns and municipalities of Basilan is 11. The capital of Lanao del Sur is Marawi City. The land area in hectares of Lanao del Sur is 1,349,437. The major industries of Lanao del Sur is agriculture, fishing, and livestock. The number of cities of Lanao del Sur is 1, and the number of towns and municipalities of Lanao del Sur is 39. The capital of Maguindanao is Sharif Agwak. The land area in hectares of Maguindanao is 972,904. The major industries of Maguindanao is agriculture, fishing, and livestock. The number of cities of Maguindanao is 1, and the number of Towns and municipalities of Maguindanao is 28. The capital of Sulu is Jolo. The land area in hectares of Sulu is 343,699. The major industries of Sulu is agriculture, fishing, and livestock. Number of cities of Sulu is 0 and the number of towns and municipalities of Sulu is 19. The capital of Tawi-Tawi is Panglima-Sugala. The land area in hectares of Tawi-Tawi is 362,655. The major industries of Tawi-Tawi is agriculture, fishing, seaweed, and mercantile. The number of cities of Tawi-Tawi is 0 and the number of towns and municipalities of Tawi-Tawi is 11. Access to the different provinces within ARMM is by air from Awang Airport, via boat from Zamboanga City, and by land from different parts of Mindanao. By air, Philippine Airlines and Cebu Pacific Air offer daily flights to Cotabato City, the regional capital of ARMM. By sea, Alison Shipping Lines offer trips to Basilan, Tawi-Tawi, and Sulu every day with 9 vessels. By land, Cotabato City is accessible in 2 to 4 hours by major road networks from different airports in Mindanao, such as Laguindingan Airport, Misamis Oriental, Francisco Bangoy International Airport, Davao City, and General Santos International Airport, General Santos. Getting around. Tricycles and babal-babal are the modes of transportation around the towns of the provinces. Small boats and sailing vessels are also used for transportation in the region. Go! Attractions and activities of Basilan. Historical, cultural, and heritage attractions of Basilan is Calon's Park or Shrine and Museum of Lamitan. The natural attractions of Basilan is Malamawi Island, Balas Beach, Kumalarang Waterfall, Block 35 Falls, and Palm Beach. The built attractions of Basilan is Mensi Plantation. Go! Attraction and activities of Lanao del Sur. Historical, cultural, and heritage attractions of Lanao del Sur is Japanese Fort, Torogan, Aga Khan Museum, Baab-ur Rahman Masjid, and Tomb of Jose Abad Santos. The natural attractions of Lanao del Sur is Mabul Beach, Sumpitan Falls, Mount Makaturing, Kanapnapan Falls, and Lake Lanao. The built attractions of Lanao del Sur is Mindanao State University and Floating Mosque. Go! Attractions and activities of Maguindanao. Historical, cultural, and heritage attractions of Maguindanao is Tomb of Dato Mastura and Sultan Kudarat, and Tamantaca Lourdes Grotto. The natural attractions of Maguindanao is Blue Lagoon, Punta Beach, Kiga Falls, Sapalan Falls, and Tubuan Falls, Limpongo Hot Spring, and Rio Grande de Mindanao. The built attractions of Maguindanao is Camp Jen Salipada, Cape Pendatun, and La Fruterera Banana Plantation. Attraction and activities of Sulu. Historical, cultural, and heritage attraction of Sulu is American Cavalry Monument, Fort Asturias, Tomb of Rahabaginda, the World City, Princess Tarhata Shrine, and Sulu Museum and Library. The natural attractions of Sulu is Pala River, Jikiri Cave, Bangas Island, and Tapaan Island. The built attractions of Sulu is Provincial Capital. Attraction and activities of Sulu. Historical, cultural, and heritage attraction of Sulu is American Cavalry Monument, Fort Asturias, Tomb of Rahabaginda, the World City, Princess Tarhata Shrine, and Sulu Museum and Library. The natural attractions of Sulu is Pala River, Jikiri Cave, Bangas Island, and Tapaan Island. The built attractions of Sulu is Provincial Capital. Range of accommodations for Basilan in the budget less than 1,000 per night of Farmland Resort, Sophia Hotel, Anson's Hotel, Royal Isla Hotel, Casa Rosario, and Basilan Hotel. The range of accommodation of Basilan for mid-range 1,500 to 3,000 per night for Japi Travelers Hotel. And the range of accommodation of Basilan for high-end at least 3,000 per night. Range of accommodation of Lanao del Sur for budget less than 1,500 per night for Ecological Hotel. And the range of accommodation of Lanao del Sur for mid-range 1,500 to 3,000 per night for Marawi Resort Hotel. And the range of accommodation of Lanao del Sur for high-end at least 3,000 per night. Range of accommodations of Maguindanao for budget less than 1,500 per night for Grand Rio Hotel, EM Main Hotel, Diamond Hotel, Puerto Azul Pension House, and Hotel Filipino. The range of accommodations of Basilan for mid-range 1,500 to 3,000 per night for Estosan Garden Hotel, and the range of accommodations of Maguindanao for high-end at least 3,000 per night. Range accommodations of Sulu for budget less than 1,500 per night for Sulu Peacekeepers Inn, Sulu Per Hotel, Honeybee Hotel, Demay's Nod Hotel, and ANR Hotel. The range of accommodation of Sulu for mid-range 1,500 to 3,000 per night for Bayna 2-bed and breakfast. The range of accommodation of Sulu for high-end at least 3,000 per night. Range of accommodations for Tawi-Tawi for budget less than 1,000 per night of Gracious Place Hotel, Beachside Inn, Hotel Wana, Becky's Pension House, Porch Bay Hotel and Restaurant. The range of accommodations of Tawi-Tawi for mid-range 1,500 to 3,000 per night of Sandbar Beach, Lepa and Restaurant. The range of accommodations of Tawi-Tawi for high-end at least 3,000 per night. Ang bawat probinsya ay merong pinagmamalaking food and delicacies. Sa Basilan, ang pinagmamalaking nilang food and delicacies ay ang dulang, kaliya manok, pinalam-pinalam, Japan yam pitis. Ang pinagmamalaking food and delicacies naman ng Lanao del Sur ay ang palapa, chicken piyaparan, pakbol, padak, kinilaw na tanigi, biyaring kinilaw na hipon, tendang, posan, and inaloban o tilapia. Ang pinagmamalaking food and delicacies ng Maguindanao ay baling, tinapayan, palapa, pastil, fried katipa or catfish, tapudi, tininggil, inasikan, alagayan. At ang ipinagmamalaking food and delicacies ng Sulu ay ang tiyu lasug, chicken pianggang, beef kurma, and spicy sati. At ang panghuli, ang pinagmamalaking food and delicacies ng Tawi-Tawi ay ang syagul guso, siyanglag, utak-utak, tiyu laitong, pialam, chicken pianggang, and puto jintan. Recommended pasalubong. Pasalubong for Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Native handicrafts, brass arts and brasswares, cultural ornaments like knives, shields, etc., ethnic musical instruments, special woven malong, handicrafts, textiles and materials, colorful native decorations, furniture and other woodcrafts, and native foods and delicacies are cuisines. Festival and special events ng Basilan ay ang Lami-Lamihan Festival na ginaganap tuwing June 26 hanggang June 27. It showcases traditional Yakan customs, traditions, and crafts. At ang Pakaradyan Basilan na ginaganap tuwing March 1 to 7 to commemorate the anniversary of the province of Basilan. At ang festival and special events ng Lanao del Sur ay ang Kalilang Saranao na ginaganap tuwing April 15 to commemorate the charter anniversary of Marawi City, at ang Kariyala Festival na ginaganap tuwing February 22 literally means Thanksgiving. It is a celebration of triumphs, abundance, and prosperity of the province. Ang festival and special events naman ng Maguindanao ay ang Meguyaya Festival na ginaganap tuwing December, a Thanksgiving festival that also serves as a venue to promote economic potentials of the province, such as agricultural products, built areas, and mineral products. At ang Sharif Kabunsuan Festival na ginaganap tuwing December 19, a commemoration of the arrival of an Arab Malay missionary from Malaysia in the 16th century. It is a celebration of significance to the whole of Muslim Mindanao. Ang festival and special events naman ng Sulu ay ang Binta Festival na ginaganap tuwing February 14. It is a grand showcase of the Bintas, the traditional boats that define the culture and identity of the Badjaus. Maligay Festival, it is celebrated every Islamic New Year. Pangalay Festival, a showcase of the traditional Tausug finger dance called Pangalay. At ang festival and special events naman ng Tawi-Tawi ay ang Seaweed Festival na ginaganap tuwing September 25, also called Agal-Agal Festival. It is a Thanksgiving celebration of a good harvest of karaging seaweed. At ang huli ay ang Sheikh Karimu Makdum Festival na ginaganap tuwing November 7, a commemoration for his good deeds for bringing island to the land of Mindanao, similar to the Sharif Kabunsuan Festival in Maguindanao. Major cultural groups. The text discusses the major cultural groups in the region, including the Tausug Mindanaos, Magidawan, Maranao, Ilanum, and Sangil, Tagabili, Subanon, Bukidnon, Bagobo, Manday, Manobo, and Tiruray. Many of these groups are prevalent in Mindanao and have been discussed in previous chapters. The Tausug people, whose name means people of the current, are a dominant ethnic group in the Sulu archipelago. They are known for their political and religious institutions, with their language being the language of trade in the southern archipelago. The traditional political structure is based on a sultanate, which with succession typically determined through an election of the staff. Datus hold recognized position and have ascribed status within the community. The major industries, the thriving industries in the autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao include mangosteen, canned tuna, mango, rubber, and poultry products. Language and dialects of autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao is English, Visayan, and Chabacano are widely spoken in autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao. Other dialects spoken in the region include Rangwiguy, Maguindanao, Visayan, Maranan, Tausug, Yakan, Sama, Chabacano, Cebuano, Sinama, and English.